All right, folks, let's make a cake. I'm Boston Black, popshotsauces.com. And today we doing a ready-made batter special to where I'm taking berries and dates from a couple of the ferments that we just finished out. And we're going to add them to what we're going to call lemon wild berry fruitcake. So what we have for ingredients are White Lily's lemon pound cake mix or ready-made mix, 10 tablespoons of butter. We have some Pop's Spooky Berry hot sauce, aged a year plus, a little bit of cooking oil, 3/4 cup water, an egg, and we are going to bring out our berries that we're chilling a little bit in the freezer. The fermentation was blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, in a honey vodka mix, so it should be fabulous. The dates were in a fermentation of ginger, dates, lemon, and honey vodka. So there's two separate fermentations that are now done. We're going to take a couple dates from the date mix, and then take from the dates, and then take a couple. Well, about a cupful of the berry mix, and we're going to add it to this cake mix, as well as probably take a 4 cup of the blueberry honey vodka brine, which is absolutely fabulous. And we're going to add all those to this mix too, and just see how it comes out. Anyway, we're going to jump right into it without further delay, because I'm kind of hungry and excited about seeing this. So now that we got our main batter that's already prepped or whatever, now we're going to take it and we'll do the rest by hand. Now, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to take a minute and grease my pan. Now, I use non-stick pans. A lot of people spray theirs with Spam or whatever, which is cool. Just make sure this is done really well. take a paper towel. Make sure any excess is out. Now my pan is ready. Now what I need to do is add my berry mix. My berry mix has been in the freezer for a few hours now since we finished the ferment process earlier. It will never freeze because, again, it was done in, it was fermented in honeys and vodka. So it's never going to freeze. But it will get chilled and stiff and firm. And I'm going to say I'm going to put about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. Pop everything else back in the freezer. Save it for something else. Okay, now I'll just softly spin this around. And now, pour my mix into my pan. Then into an oven that's been preheated at 350 degrees for 50 minutes to an hour. Wow! Ooh. I can't tell you how good this is. Look at this.